Kalispera κυρίες και κύριοι. Today we have chicken legs, vegetables, baked. A very delicious and healthy meal. It's quite simple and easy. You could begin with any vegetable you want first. Just chop it up and toss it in the pan. I'm going to begin with the carrots first. Now, time for the zucchini. We chop the end off, which we don't need, and a bit of the front. Start slicing the zucchini crosswise into rounds. And then cut each round piece in half and toss them in the pan. Let's do the eggplant now. The same thing. Let's cut the end off, which we don't need, and a bit of the front. As soon as you're done, start cutting it into rounds. And chop each round piece into fours. And as soon as you're done chopping them, μες στο ταψί αυτά. Let's grab the onion now. The outer layer of the skin has already been peeled. Let's chop it up into pieces and break it down a bit. And as soon as you're done, in the pan as well. It's time for the potato. Let's grab a potato, chop it in half, slice it, and start chopping it up into nice sized pieces. As soon as you're done, in the pan. And let's grab now the green pepper. Cut around the green pepper because we don't want the core with the seeds. Slice the pieces and then dice them and toss them in the pan. Let's do the red pepper, which is our last one. We cut the end off, which we don't need, and then start cutting it into slices. The core with the seeds, of course, we get rid of. Start slicing and dicing and into the pan as well. Now let's add 2 garlic cloves, one chicken cube, and break it down a bit with your fingers. 2 nice pinches of rigani, pepper, and salt, and squeeze half a lemon. A half a cup of water, a half a cup of white wine, and some olive oil. Make sure your hands are clean and give everything a really good mix. Now it's time for the chicken legs. Let's add some salt, some pepper, some hot pepper, and olive oil. Give both legs a good massage and flip them over. And do the same thing on the other side. Salt, pepper, hot pepper, olive oil, and a good massage. As soon as you're done, put the chicken legs in the pan and put the lid on. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees. And we're going to let it cook in the oven for 75 minutes. After the first 30 minutes, we're going to take it out of the oven and take a look at it just to see how it's doing. Everything looks great, so let's put the lid back on and put it back in the oven. After an hour, let's take it out of the oven and take one more look at it just to see how it is. Now for the last 15 minutes, we're going to put it back in the oven without a lid on it. And there it is, after 1 hour and 15 minutes of cooking in the oven, you are ready to serve. Και καλή σας όρεξη!